Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: a patched Fs25 and the GPS mod or built-in GPS available. Copy the GPS mod into the mods folder and load your save. This makes it visible to the game. Once done, activate the mod from the in-game mods menu and restart if required. This registers files and assets. Make sure to keep a backup save so you can revert if the mod conflicts with other assets or map scripts. Now you configure the GPS. Open the GPS interface from the HUD or vehicle panel and pick your preferred coordinate format for clarity. Adjust map scale and zoom so you see fields and roads. Snapping to waypoints ensures straight headland runs. Assign the GPS profile to the tractor or combine you'll use. This saves offsets and working width. Doing this prevents drift and improves path accuracy, which matters when you're automating tasks or following precise field boundaries. Finish by creating a test route and saving it to confirm navigation works. Drive slowly the first time to observe pathing. Calibrate working width and turn radius to match your implement so overlap is minimal and passes a line. If the GPS fails, make sure no other mods overwrite shared files and re-download the GPS mod from a trusted source. Reinstalling often fixes missing assets. If problems persist, load a clean save with.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.